Understanding where your YouTube video traffic is coming from can help you analyze performance and create even more videos that drive awareness, traffic, and customers. So today, we're breaking down the most common traffic sources, what they mean, and what it means for your channel and videos. Hi everyone, I'm Carrie, founder of GROUPHUGS YouTube Growth Agency, where we analyze YouTube traffic sources all day long for our clients across B2B and B2C industries. This video is divided into chapters for each of the YouTube traffic sources, so feel free to save this video so you can use it to freshen up your knowledge when you need it. All right, buckle up class, we're headed into YouTube Studio. Did you know that YouTube is the world's second largest search engine? That's why YouTube search is one of the most important metrics on the platform, and it indicates how well you're ranking in YouTube's search engine. Traffic from YouTube search is gained when viewers search keywords and terms and then click on your video. And what I love about YouTube Studio is that you can see the exact keywords that are pulling in the most traffic. To rank in YouTube search, you do need the right video SEO. So make sure to check out how to rank videos in Google and YouTube search after this one. On to YouTube suggested traffic. Suggested traffic is gained when viewers click on your video when it appears alongside or after other videos. This is a great way to gain viewers who are already interested in your topic because they're watching a related video. And remember y'all, YouTube is a social platform, and in fact, the #2 social platform in the world. So that's why suggested traffic is an important indicator of how engaging your content is. And the more people that watch and engage, the more YouTube will show it to other viewers like them. The reason the suggested traffic source is my personal favorite is because YouTube is literally taking your video and it's showing it to viewers that it thinks will enjoy it. For all my marketers out there, this means that each time you get a view from suggested videos, it's like getting a free social media ad click. And the best part, you don't have to pay a single cent even as your video gains views for years and years to come. And I know this is cheesy, but yes, it really does get better. When you earn YouTube Partner Program status, your channel gets paid when people click and watch your video. You get paid. And if you're just starting out a new channel, expect suggested traffic to be a bit volatile in the beginning. YouTube will usually push your first videos out to a wider audience just to see who is best fit for your channel and videos. So that's why you may see suggested impressions go way up in the beginning and then come down the next month. Don't worry though, YouTube is simply trying to find the right audience. We also have a video on the YouTube algorithm if you want to dig deeper after this one. All right, up next, traffic gained from external sources. Don't sleep on this one. External traffic is gained from the World Wide Web. I don't think people say that anymore, but anyways, external sources exclude traffic from within the YouTube platform and include traffic from websites and apps that embed or link your YouTube videos, like Instagram, LinkedIn, your website, and most importantly, Google search. So in case you don't know, 1 of every 5 Google searches indexes YouTube videos, and a video actually has a 50 times greater chance at landing on page 1 versus a blog or website. So this means that showing up on page 1 of Google results with a good YouTube video is like getting a fast pass at an amusement park. For successful brand channels, external traffic is often in the top 3 traffic sources because you're properly sharing and embedding your videos across the web. And this helps you gain even more views from Google and other search engines. So remember, promote your videos on your other platforms too. Our video, How to Promote YouTube Videos, will teach you a ton of ways to repurpose your content. Definitely check it out after this one because if your video has proper promotion within the first 12 to 24 hours, it can make a big difference in the long-term performance. Onward to browse features. What the heck does that mean? Browse features traffic is from the homepage or home screen, your subscription feed, and other browsing features like watch history, watch later, trending, and your personalized lists. The homepage usually features your subscribed content, trending content, and videos that YouTube thinks the viewer might like. You've probably noticed that the homepage sometimes seems to have no rhyme or reason, and that's because it kind of doesn't. When you go to the homepage, YouTube doesn't know what you want to watch yet, so it shows you a bunch of different videos hoping that one catches your eye. Browse features can also fluctuate month to month depending on how well your new videos are doing in the YouTube algorithm and whether it's a trending topic or not. Direct or unknown traffic is pretty much what it sounds like. Direct traffic gained through a direct URL entry, like if someone copy and pasted a video link into their browser. Unknown could also come from signed out users watching videos on YouTube. Bookmarks, unidentified apps, cookieless traffic also fall under this category. Alrighty marketers, moving on to channel page. I challenge you to take a second and imagine what channel page traffic could mean. Time's up. Let's see if you're right. Channel page traffic is gained from your YouTube channel page, other channel pages that may have added your videos, and other top channels. If you guessed at least one of those correctly, go ahead and smash that like button. Good for you. People visit channel pages when deciding if they should subscribe or exploring other content. So make sure to always keep your page updated. If you have new playlists or videos that you want to highlight, add it to your channel page and maybe even move it to the top or make it a featured video. We're publishing a video on channel page organization, so subscribe so you don't miss it. Okay, so the next YouTube traffic source is not so obvious because it's called other YouTube features. YouTube defines it as traffic from within YouTube that doesn't fall in any other category, such as views from partner promotions or the dashboard, which also isn't super clear, but after digging into our clients' channels, we found that other YouTube features can also mean offline views and remote views. Back to traffic sources that are a bit more self-explanatory. Playlist traffic is gained from any playlist that includes your videos, whether it's on your own playlist or on another user's playlist. Notification traffic is gained from viewers who clicked a push notification or on an email sent to subscribers. We always recommend asking viewers to not only subscribe and like the video, but to also click the notification button. Some viewers never think about it, but if your channel covers topics that they care about and you remind them to get notified, they might just turn them on. So smash that notification button right now if you picked up on my hint. On to in-screen traffic. So if you make it to the end of this video, you will see 4 other fabulous videos made by yours truly that I recommend watching after this one. When you see those thumbnails pop up, that counts as an in-screen impression for each of the videos. And let's say you do want to watch one of the videos. So when you click, then YouTube counts it as an in-screen view. The next traffic source is cards. This is the traffic coming from cards and featured content in other videos. Cards are a great way to introduce other related YouTube videos for your viewers to binge, like our About GROUPHUGS YouTube Growth Agency video. And if you don't want to mess with all these different traffic sources and are looking to outsource YouTube video strategy, SEO scripting, and editing, that is the video about us and what we can do for you. Other less common traffic sources are hashtag pages, product pages, and card teaser clicks. Don't really worry about them though unless you're gaining significant traffic from them. And if you're running YouTube ads for your brand, you'll also see the ad traffic show up in YouTube Studio. Okay, so here's the thing with YouTube traffic sources. It's going to change as YouTube and its algorithm evolves. So make sure to subscribe to stay updated on all the new features. And if you're interested in working with GROUPHUGS, learn more at groupugs.co or book a discovery call via the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned a ton. See you next time.